Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. In other words, we are going to speed up your PC by the simplest way. So let's go. First of all, just go to the start and type edit power plan and click on the edit power plan. Okay. Here we find change advanced power settings. Just click on that advanced power setting. Okay. Then power options are open. Here in balance activity, just change it to high performance or ultra high performance. If you find high performance, then click on that, or ultra high performance. Click on high performance. Then scroll down. Here we find processor power management. Processor power management. Then we find, click on that, then we find minimum and maximum power status. Okay, processor status, sorry. Click at first minimum and make it 0 in minimum. Make it 0. Okay, and in maximum processor state, make it 100%. Then apply it, then okay. Now we just go to the task manager. It is very easy. Just go to the start, type task task manager. Here is the task manager. Just click on the task manager. Okay, in task manager, just go to the startup at here. Just click on startup. Here we find many application. Just disable all unwanted application. So I want to disable this application. So right click on it and click on the disable. I want to disable it. Then right click on it, disable. 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 Then just go to the start and restart your machine. Then your PC, after restarting your PC performance is very high. Your speed of your PC is very high. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.